Alright guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome again, new episode on how to. Today we're going to talk about WordPress and we're going to talk about WooCommerce. As many of you knows, it's very difficult sometimes to customize part of WooCommerce. One major issue is when you want to customize your emails that you send to your customers. The default emails from WooCommerce, they're pretty good, but sometimes you want to make that little difference, so you want to create something bespoke. So without any delay guys, let's go and start. But before we start, don't forget to like and share my videos. And also don't forget, this is the new website, 333 website. It's going to be a blog. I'm going to offer services. I'm going to offer, for example, templates. I'm going to offer free courses, everything on this blog. So check it out. And if you don't want to miss a bit, don't forget to join the mailing list. So now without any delay, let's go and let's start. Now I want to stress, this is free. This is what we're going to use. Is a free WordPress plugin called Email. WooCommerce Email Customizer is very simple to customize and it's drag and drop. So let's go and start. Now I'm going to copy that. I'm going to close it. I'm going to my WordPress installation. I'm going to plugins, add new. I'm going to search for the plugin. Again, you don't have to put the entire phrase inside. You can actually search for Email. Let's have a look here. There are multiple ones, but this is what you want. Email, the first one comes on WooCommerce. You click install now, and then once it's activated, you press on activate. So how do you access that? It's very simple. So what you want to do, you want to go, for example, to WooCommerce. Then you want to go to Email Customizer. As I said, this is a very easy to use, and also of course is a free plugin. This is the one that comes with WooCommerce. Here you got the actual list of all the templates that comes with the WooCommerce. All you got to do is just click on the layout you want to modify. In this case, new order. This is what it looks like. You can click it. Once you can click on every single part of the image here, you get the customization on the left side, just like an Elementor. Simple as that. So for example, you go to view. If you want to, for example, add your logo, you click on change image, you add your logo, use the image, and as you can see, that is already been customized. Then we go to the new order. As you can see here, we got the email order shortcode. There are many shortcodes. You can actually go and look on the email page on WordPress, so you can find all the shortcodes that are available. In this case, the shortcode will show the order number. Again, you have received the following order from John Doe. The John Doe will be the last name, for example. This is the actual shortcodes you need to change. So if you want to change anything, you just go and, as you can see, add any text you really want. Same thing, for example, for the form. We got the selection of the colors. Again, you can have the paddings, left, right, and top, whatever. Quantity, the price, title, the lot. You can change everything. Everything you can see here is customizable. It's very simple and easy to use. Once you've done it, don't forget to save on top. In this case, all I done, I changed the logo. And again, it works with every other template. Let's go to the canceled orders. Again, we're going to go on the top, change the image, click for the logo, and use this image. And again, don't forget to save. You got to do it for every single one of them you want to change it. All right. But otherwise, as you can see, it's very simple. You can actually add extra blocks if you want to. For example, you can go and add an image if you wanted to. Just click here and choose the image you want to add. That's as simple as that. Let's go on here. For example, let's have, for example, we're selling plants. For example, you could do that, and you can change the width, the color, the background. You can actually add a URL to this image. That's how simple that is. And of course, you can line left, right, and center, whatever. You can duplicate, remove the element if you needed to, and that's being removed, as you can see. Again, we got buttons, titles. We can actually add the videos, HTML, text list. We can add a new footer if you want to. Then we got space dividers. We got WooCommerce things, for example. We got shipping address. As you already got it here anyway, you can actually add the for example, the order form download if you want. If you want to add that, for example, there. And of course, you can create hooks as well if you want, with shortcodes as well. So as you can see, that's very simple to use. It's just drag and drop. To be honest, everybody can use it. And the beauty of it is free. So anyway, guys, thanks again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And I'll see you next time for a new video. Goodbye.